Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable age restrictions for people age 17 and over on Facebook using your PC. This is part of Facebook's newer updates, and it's a useful setting if you want more control over who can view your content. Let's walk through it step by step so you can set it up in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will drop down. From that list, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Now click on Settings to open your account settings page. Once you're inside the settings area, look at the left-hand side menu. Scroll until you find Followers and Public Content, then click on it. This section controls who can follow you and how your public posts are managed. Now focus on the Age Restrictions option. Click on it and you'll see different choices available. Select people 17 and over. This means that only users who meet this age requirement will be able to view your public content. After selecting the correct option, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. If you skip this step, your settings won't be updated. And that's it. You've successfully limited your content to viewers aged 17 and above. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how your content is shared and viewed. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips to better manage your Facebook privacy and settings.